In this session, let us discuss about the structure of supplier, manufacturer, customer chain. Supply chain participants perform one or more of the basic functions that make a supply chain work and give it a reason to exist. Some participants are producers, some are distributors or wholesalers, manufacturers, retailers, customers, and raw material suppliers. And the customer is very important structure of the chain, because without customer there is no reason for supply chain to exist. In its simplest form, a supply chain is composed of company and supplier and customer of that company. Combination of these three types of organization, supplier, company, customer, create a simple supply chain. Whereas extended supply chain contains an additional type of organization called service provided, so that you can see in the supply chain figure. There is the supplier or ultimate supplier at one end of the extended supply chain. At the customer or ultimate customer at the other end. There are also organizations that assist other participants in the supply chain. They are service providers in areas such as logistics, finance, marketing, forecasting, or information technology. These different organizations make up the four participants in every supply chain. Number one, producers. Producers or manufacturers or the organizations that make a product, which includes companies that are producers of raw materials and companies that are producers of finished goods. So producers of raw materials are organizations that mine for mineral, drill for oil and gas, and cut timber, etc., etc. It also includes organizations that farm and land, raise animals, or catch seafood, etc. Producers of finished goods use the raw materials and sub-assemblies made by other producers to create their product. Some producers are consumers or customers of the products made by other products, and some producers produce services used by the other supply chain participants. The second main stakeholder in supply chain management is distributors or wholesalers. Distributors are companies that take inventory in bulk from producers and deliver a bundle of related product to the customers. Distributors are also known as wholesalers. They typically sell to the other business and they sell products in large quantities that an individual consumer would usually buy. Distributors buffer the producers from fluctuation in the product demand by stocking inventory and doing much of the sales work to find the service customers. For the customer, distributors fulfill the time and place function. They deliver products when and where the customer wants them. In addition to product promotion and sales, other functions of the distributor performs are costs. Distributor performs such as inventory management, warehouse operation, and product transportation, etc. and also customer support and post-sale services. A distributor can also be an organization that only brokers a product between producer and the customer and never takes ownership of that product. This kind of distributor performs mainly the functions of product promotion and sales. In both these cases, as the needs of the customers evolve and range of available products change, the distributor is the agent that continually tracks customer needs and matches them with the products available. Distributors provide products to producers and retailers that are their customers. Number 3 stakeholders are retailers. Retailers stock inventory and sell in smaller quantities to the general public. This organization also closely tracks the performance and demands of the customer that it sells it to. It advertises to its customer and often uses some combination of price, product selection, service and convenience as primary draw to attract customer for the products that they sell. Discount department stores attract customers using price and wide product selection. Fast food restaurants use convenience and low prices as their, at their convenience. Retailers are suppliers of products and services to the consumers. And the last stakeholders, and which is the main stakeholder of the supply chain management, is customer or consumer. They are the organization that purchase and use a product. A consumer organization may be an organization that purchases a product in order to incorporate it into another product that they in turn sell to the other consumers, that is ultimate customers. Consumers depend on product distributors, producers and retailers to meet their needs. So this is the broad structure of supply chain management. Thank you.